Hey guys, it's Jalissa. I'm back with another video. So the other day, me and my friend Jen decided to play around and make a Tinder just for fun because we were bored. And at the same time, I was just on YouTube and I found videos where people let Tinder guys choose their makeup. And how ironic is it that I came across that video when I made a Tinder the other day? So I decided to try it out for myself because, I mean, I have a Tinder, so why not? After this video, I'm gonna delete it because it's just cringe. Okay, let's get started. It's gonna be so cringy, but let it go. Okay. As I was watching these videos, I saw everyone use their fake name, but I'm using my real name, so rip. Alright, this is my profile, Jalissa 18. I just put let's be friends or whatever because I'm not trying to date anyone on this. But, okay, this is the cringy part. Time to swipe right. Wait, before I do that, I need to make sure I put my distance and put that 100 miles. Okay. And my phone's on 13%. Great. Okay. 1, 2. Hello? Alright. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Bro, is it gonna stop me each time I have a freaking match? Damn, this is kind of mean to do, honestly. Oh, cool. I got a message from Jordy. Okay. I'm gonna ask them first. Okay. Jordy says, hey. I need to know if I want to have a cakey look or a more natural look. So, cakey or natural. They're gonna be like, what? Alright, let's wait and see. Ooh! Got a message from Eric, my boy. Thank you. Well, I'm waiting for, what's his name? Jordy to answer. Jordy, answer! Alright, while we're waiting for Jordy to answer, let's ask Eric. We gotta know eyebrows. Thick and full? Thick and full or thick and dark or thin and light? Send. I'm dead, bro. This is actually really funny. Okay. Ooh, Matthew. Well, here I am. What were your other 2 wishes? Alright, well, my wish is for you to answer my question. Okay, Matthew. Wait, let's check if... Bro, Jordy just answered. He just said, I don't care, you mad cute though. Cakey or natural? I need to know. Eric said, thin and light. I wanted him to say thick and full. Now Jordy is freaking extra. He said, I'm allergic to cake batter. I get pie on my birthdays. Well, I guess that means we're going for natural. Thank you, Jordy. Okay, we got our face and we got our eyebrows. Jordy says natural, which means we're just gonna go for some concealer. Honestly, that took way too long. Like, it was just a simple question. Oh, I got a message from George. Okay. Okay, and then Eric said thin and light, right on the spot. So we're just gonna take simple, basic eyebrow powder and just slap that on these bad boys. Thank you, Eric. So far, I like what's coming along, okay? These guys are picking some good choices. Booyah. Alright, someone just rang the doorbell and I'm home alone and I hate when that happens and you can hear my dog going crazy. So I'm gonna peek out the window and see who the heck is ringing my doorbell and disturbing my peace. It's my brother's friend, he's not here! Okay, I'm back after all that chaos. Okay, so I waited for a little more and I got a whole bunch of messages, but I'm just going to swipe right a little bit more because I need these responses to just come in. Okay, let's see. Next thing we need to know is bronzer. Let's go for Dominic. He seems nice. Hey, beautiful. So sweet. Okay. Bronzed queen or pale queen? Send. Let's go, Dominic. Come on, speed it up. Carlton sent you a reaction. He sent hearts. Okay, okay, Carlton. Bronzed queen or pale queen? Oh, all right, let's see George. George said, hey, eyeshadow. A pop of color or keep it simple? Hopefully it says keep it simple. Carlton answered. He said, LOL, what are you talking about? How about you just answer the freaking question? Come on, Carlton. Come on, man. Hey, Carlton texted him. Oh, shit, he put his number. Oh, God, okay. But he answered. He said bronzed. Guess we're going for a bronzed queen. And finally, I'm taking my Hoola bronzer. Thank God he said bronzed because I do not like being pale. Okay. Okay, I think we're good with the bronzer. Okay, let's see what they said about the eyeshadow. Okay, Matthew, you're late. Goodbye. Juan said, hey, how are you? Okay, Juan, I'm gonna need you to decide on how I should wear my highlight. Glazed donut or matte donut? What the heck? George said color for sure. Darn, okay. George wants a pop of color, he's gonna get a pop of color. I have this blue color, so I guess I'll just add that to my face. I was kind of hoping it would say keep it simple, but it's okay. George gets what George wants. How do you even do makeup? Okay. I'm gonna take some of this color. I'm just gonna add this too. Alright, I'm gonna use this as a little base. I'm gonna take this big ass brush. I'm gonna take this dark blue. Hey, it's not that bad. Okay. I'm gonna take this black. Eyeshadow. Thank you, George, for telling me to choose a pop of color. Now, let's see for the highlight. Juan said glazed for sure. I like Juan very much because he just answered right away, no questions asked. Thank you, Juan. Got that Becca highlighter, champagne pop. Juan wants a glazed donut. We gotta be a glazed donut then. Nose, a little bit on the side. Okay, and lastly, I'm gonna do the mascara later on. I don't need any advice from that. But lastly, I'm gonna ask them if I should do a light color or a dark color for the lips. Let's ask Sam. He's super like me. Light or dark? I'll like his little comments because that's sweet. Juan said, LOL, no problem. What do you prefer? I like Juan. So you know what? I'm going to continue this conversation a little bit. Glazed donut. We have something in common. Okay, bye. Alright, come on, Sam. It's all up to you. It's all up to you. Okay, guys. Someone finally answered. Okay, Sam said, at first he said, what do you mean? But then he said, dark. Then he said, what's your Insta? But I don't think I'm going to give my Insta. Maybe I should. I don't know. But so Sam said dark. Okay, Sam wants dark. He's going to get dark. I'll be using this dark lipstick. I don't know the brand. I forgot. Okay. There's a dark lipstick. Lastly, I'm going to do my mascara and then I'll come back. I'll see you in 1 second. I'm back. I have mascara. And I think that's it. This is the makeup look that the Tinder guys told me to wear. I mean, it's not something I usually go for, but you know what? I don't even think it's that bad. Okay, well, I'm done here. I am going to delete my account right away because that was kind of cringy actually, but it's all cool. This was fun. It was funny. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more. Bye.